today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key in HubSpot super easily. Whether you're just getting started or need a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process seamlessly. So, without further delay, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you've opened HubSpot and are logged into your account. It's essential to be logged in so you can access all the necessary features and settings. Once you're all set up, head over to the trial guide. This is your one-stop destination for all the resources you'll need to kick off your form building process. The trial guide is especially useful if you're new to using HubSpot, as it provides you with a comprehensive overview and useful tools to get started. Now, back on your homepage, let's move on to the next step. You're going to click on the Settings option. Once you're in the settings, look on the left side of the screen and find Account Management. Under that, click on Integrations. This is where you'll begin the process of creating your API key. Make sure to navigate precisely, as this ensures you're accessing the correct features. Next, you're going to select Legacy Apps. Right there, you're going to click Create and then Private. At this point, you have to generate a name for your new app. It doesn't need to be anything complicated, just something that's easy for you to remember. Once you've named your app, go ahead and enter a description. This helps you and anyone else who might work with you to quickly understand what this app is for or what your API key relates to. With the name and description in place, move on to Scopes. Click Add New Scopes and carefully select your desired scope. Be deliberate here, as choosing the right scope is crucial for your app's specific needs. Once you've made your selections, just click Update. Next, head over to the Webhooks section. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your target URL. This is essentially where your app will communicate, so it's critical to input the right address. After you've entered the URL information, click Create App. Finally, click Continue Creating. You'll be taken to a new page. Here, find the Auth section, and aha, there is your API key. Simply copy it. Remember, your API key is sensitive information, so handle it with care. Keep it secure and only share it with trusted entities, and there you have it. You've successfully generated an API key in HubSpot. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Remember, safeguarding your API key is of utmost importance to protect your application and its data. Thanks for following along, and happy coding!